Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking rumors from the world of filmmaking. Get ready for an exclusive deep dive into the highly anticipated Sony FX3 II, a game-changing evolution in the world of cinema cameras. From leaked specifications to potential new features, we're uncovering everything you need to know about this revolutionary device. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all the latest gear reviews, tech insights, and filmmaking trends right here on Techno Trend Zone. The Sony FX3 has long been celebrated as a hybrid marvel, bridging the gap between compact cinema cameras and mirrorless systems. Beloved by indie filmmakers and content creators alike, it set the standard for performance and versatility. Now, whispers about its successor, the Sony FX3 II, have enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. Leaks suggest Sony is doubling down on refining the cinematic prowess of this camera while addressing user feedback, making the FX3 II a potential powerhouse in the compact cinema camera space. Let's break down the exciting possibilities. Sensor and image quality. One of the most talked about rumors is the potential upgrade to a newly developed 26-megapixel full-frame sensor. This next-generation sensor is rumored to feature Sony's latest back-illuminated and stacked designs. If true, this would bring a host of benefits, including enhanced dynamic range, superior low-light performance, and faster readout speeds. The FX3 II could potentially capture 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with significantly reduced rolling shutter effects. Even more exciting is the possibility of 6K recording capabilities, a first for Sony's compact cinema cameras. This upgrade would position the FX3 II as a serious contender against higher-end cinema systems while maintaining its compact form factor. Autofocus enhancements. Sony's autofocus technology is already among the best in the industry, and the FX3 II is rumored to push these boundaries even further. Enhanced real-time tracking and improved subject recognition could make it a dream for filmmakers. Speculation suggests that AI-driven autofocus algorithms will optimize performance in complex shooting scenarios, including fast-paced movements and challenging lighting conditions. For content creators and filmmakers focused on storytelling, this means more freedom to focus on creative expression while the camera handles precise focusing seamlessly. Design and ergonomics. The original FX3 earned praise for its compact and modular design, but rumors suggest the FX3 II will introduce subtle yet meaningful improvements. Expect enhancements in grip ergonomics for extended shooting comfort, additional customizable buttons, and a more robust cooling system to enable longer recording sessions. One particularly exciting rumor is the inclusion of a full-sized HDMI port, addressing a common complaint among FX3 users. These updates would solidify the FX3 II as an indispensable tool for professional creators who value functionality and usability. Connectivity and workflow improvements. In today's era of remote workflows, connectivity is paramount. The FX3 II is rumored to feature upgraded Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 capabilities, ensuring faster file transfers and stable remote control options via mobile devices. Additionally, a USB-C port with support for 10 gigabits per second data transfer speeds could make offloading footage quicker and more efficient. With these updates, the FX3 II is poised to become a central hub for modern content creation, seamlessly integrating into diverse workflows. Codecs and color science. Sony cinema cameras are known for their exceptional color science, and the FX3 II is expected to raise the bar even higher. Rumors point to support for advanced codecs, such as 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording in XAVC and the possibility of ProRes RAW for external recording. Enhanced S-Log profiles and a revamped log mode could make color grading more intuitive while retaining cinematic quality straight out of the camera. These features would cater to professionals seeking maximum flexibility during post-production. Battery life and durability. One area where Sony is expected to improve is battery performance. Speculations indicate that the FX3 II will feature a redesigned battery system, offering 20 to 30% longer recording times. Coupled with an upgraded heat dissipation system, this camera could become an even more reliable companion for extended shoots. Enhanced weather sealing and overall durability are also rumored, ensuring the camera's resilience in challenging environments. Pricing and release date. While official pricing remains unconfirmed, industry insiders estimate the Sony FX3 II will retail between $3,800 and $4,200. This pricing positions it as an attractive option for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike. The release date is another hot topic, with leaks pointing to a potential announcement in mid-2025. However, widespread availability may not occur until late 2025, giving early adopters something exciting to look forward to. Conclusion. Based on current leaks and rumors, the Sony FX3 II promises to be a significant leap forward for compact cinema cameras. With anticipated improvements in sensor technology, autofocus, design, and connectivity, the FX3 II seems poised to meet the demands of modern filmmakers and content creators. While pricing and availability details are still speculative, the FX3 II's rumored advancements suggest it will become a must-have tool for anyone seeking a compact yet powerful cinema camera. Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts on the Sony FX3 II. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, guides, and insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. See you in the next video.